Hello everyone, welcome to this week's episode of LBC Exterior Cleaning. As you can see by the views here, we're on the 5th floor of this large development in Camden. Bit of construction going on here, but they want their bricks clean. So this is some carbon stain removal. We've got Gabriel and Lorenzo. We're starting from the very top on the 5th floor, just applying some chemical. And then Gabriel, he's going to be steam cleaning this whole side of the building. So let's check in with the guys, see what they're up to. Gabriel, he's at the very top of the building there, just warming up the gun. So he's going to be starting there, while Lorenzo here is applying the treatment. We're going to be working our way down. So it'll be interesting to see how this is going to come up. As you can see here, all that staining there on the brick. Hopefully bring it up good as new, get some nice orange bricks by the end of it. Lovely views up here. Got the team just working their way through this 5th floor. So we've just finished on the top deck. Guys have just made their way down to the floor below. Just applied some of the chemical, letting that work its magic. And then they're going to be steam cleaning all down here. So if we get up close and personal on the bricks, heavily stained. So that's a good view there of this entire floor. So a lot of work for the team, but we're getting through it.
Don't hesitate to call on me for any.
So a good day's work here with St Gabriel. He's done a cracking job up on this floor. These bricks, they're very, very old, so all that carbon staining's etched right in. Despite that, he has restored these bricks. He'll be back tomorrow just to carry on the same process and finish this building. It's a huge building, probably a few days work here for him, but as you can see, very effective.